Good evening, sir. My name is Ahmad Kazi and my topic is atmospheric water generators. As we all know, water is second to oxygen as being essential to life, but nowadays it has become a disturbing worldwide problem in the arid areas where it rains rarely and there is hardly any fresh water available. Hence, one of the most interesting method to get clean water is harvesting humidity from thin air. Now let us go through the slides. These are my contents which I am going to cover in my topic. Introduction. The concept behind this technology was discovered 20 years ago by James J. Reddy. In 1998, research and development began, and in 2002, air to water technology was integrated. Atmospheric water generator is an electricity powered device that uses a dehumidification principle to make pure drinking water out of the moisture. This is the literature review which I referred. There are two methods, the first being cooling condensation method. In this type, a compressor circulating the refrigerant continuously supplies the cooling liquid to maintain the evaporating coil at dew point temperature. Dew point temperature, it is the temperature at which water vapor will condense to form liquid water. Then a controlled fan pushes the filtered air over the coil. As the coil is at dew point temperature, the airborne water vapor will condense to liquid. The liquid will then be collected in the holding tank with purification and filtration system to keep the water pure. This is the complete diagram of cooling condensation method. This is the compressor revolving around a refrigerant. Refrigerant liquid is passed through this coil which will keep this coil at dew point temperature. The fan, this is the fan. The fan pushes the moist air through this coil. Coil is at dew point temperature, so airborne water vapor will then condense to liquid form and then all the water is collected in this tank. The filter purification, the water is purified and then it is filtered and then it can be uh, allowed to drink. Second method being desiccant method. As the name suggests, desiccant refers to the substance used as a drying agent. This method uses a solution of chemical salts to pull water out of air. Salt being natural desiccant, which means that it draws and holds moisture. In desiccant method, humid air is passed over a series of salt mixtures and then this salt mixtures is heated to its boiling point, resulting steam is condensed and routed to filters for processing. This method is mostly used in large scale levels such as military and industrial units. These are the advantages. Continuously we can supply the fresh water independently of existing water resources, no need for long and expensive delivery pipe system, unlimited free renewal of raw material that contains tremendous amount of water, suitable for almost anywhere around the globe where water is needed. We can transport this machinery anywhere. The process does not harm environment in any ways. Disadvantages: initial investment is high. The product price of AWG is higher compared to municipal, and most important factor is climate, which means percent of humidity should be higher in order to get more amount of water. If the percent of humidity is less, then this type of machines are of no use. Applications: in arid areas and desert areas, these type of machines are very useful in order to solve water crisis solution. Where water is polluted, these type of machines are very useful. In farming and military as well as residential and offices, these machines are very handy. Conclusion: despite widespread water pollution, shortage of drinking water, or you may be in desert areas, but there is an abundance of water around us from air. Water harvesting and treatment is completely environmental friendly. And the excellent information is that these technologies are commercially available. These are all my references, and thank you.